want to show how I sew my tights. I have this overlocker. It will be really noisy. Now I will serge the top of the leggings. Later on, I will go to my sewing machine and fold the lining down. Now I am going to sew the front seam. Like this. This thread I will later take a needle and thread it into a seam. Now I will serge the bottom of the leggings. I do it like this. Now I will sew the legs closed. The inside seam of the legs. So now I have made the pants, and now I go to my sewing machine and put a seam on the top, so I can take a elastic for it if I want to. So now I will make the seam in the waist of the leggings. I stretch the fabric while I'm sewing, so when the doll has the trousers on, the seam won't rip. Now they finished. Just like this. Then I do sew the bottom of the leggings, I turn them inside, and I do that by hand. So one pair of leggings.